Hello, everyone, and welcome to Explainer Studio, where simple questions turn into deep understanding. And today, we're talking about something we use every single day, but rarely think about: electricity. How does it actually reach our home? It feels like magic. One click and light appears. But behind that instant moment, there's a long journey. What is electricity actually? Everything is made of atoms, and inside them are electrons. When electrons move, that's electricity. What makes them move? Power plants generate electricity using water, wind, sunlight. What is a turbine? It's like a giant spinning fan. It spins a generator, creating electricity. How does it reach my home? Through transmission lines. Voltage is reduced before reaching homes. And then it becomes safe? Yes, ready to use. I'll never look at electricity the same way again. Simple things hide incredible journeys. Subscribe to Explainora Studio.